Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm going to select video, and then I'm going to choose a video from my download folder. I'm going to go to the download, and then I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and we can click on next, and this is the original video guys, and I'm going to show you how we can reverse this video on TikTok. If we want to reverse a video, we need to apply reverse effect to our video. So you can go to the effect menu right here, this one guys, and then there will be some effects for you, and we need to go to the time category. Okay, and here you'll be able to get reverse effect for your video. You just need to select this effect, and then this effect will be applied to your video. Okay, this is the result. As you can see that the video is playing backward, and here in the time effect you will be able to apply the repeat effect and also slow motion effect in the case if you want to create slow motion video. But since we want to reverse our video, we can select the reversed option. Okay, and after that you're going to click on save to save the video. Okay, this is the final result guys, and after apply the reverse effect you can continue the editing on your TikTok video. You can apply another effect right here if you want, or you can apply sticker or maybe filter or a text to your video. And then once you're ready to share the video with reverse effect, you can click on next. Okay, and here you can add description for your video, and you can also mention someone, a location, a link. It's up to you, and then you just need to click on post and the video will be posted to your TikTok. Okay guys, so that's all the way to reverse a video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.